Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin. Today we're going to be looking at crypto and chill. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe, and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links are going to be going out right about now. How's it going, guys? Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining me on an awesome Saturday night. I hope you're having fun. Crypto's not doing much, like we expected. Right? Not a lot going on, so chilling. Still looking for that potential low bottom. Jake, how's it going, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. I haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing good, buddy. Haven't also used this in a while.
What's up?
Seems like the occasion's good for the what's up. Yeah, it's a chill day for crypto, right? Not a lot going on. Not a lot going on. So let's jump onto the screen where the magical little stuff happens. Look at market cap. Market cap sideways. So yeah, we're below the 20. Have failed to reclaim it. We have the bullish divergence. Last thing we have, nothing bearish in here again. Still slightly higher. Higher and higher. Still sold at 32.41. Exhausted. BCAF exhausted. Exhausted from crypto, or like, just work in general. Let me know, man. I hope you're doing good, and I hope you're good, man. How's the Peppy Pals project coming along? You ready to launch that 4th of July fireworks card? I think I haven't seen much updates on that, but I still look at what you post every now and then on Twitter. But let me know if that's coming along good, man. So I gotta figure out what I want to make for that project. I want to make something that's cool and has an impact. Peppy smoking a joint, or Snoop Dogg Peppy. That's cool. It might seem. I'm not sure that's what I want to make. So I'm still trying to figure out, because it's one shot, right? I get one shot to make something really, really cool. So still trying to figure out what I should make there, man. Can I open that? All right. Can I show that, I guess? All right, cool. So here is the Peppy Pals. The Peppy 4th of July promo one. And alrighty, I'm trying to see if I can make it large. Here it is. I was looking for it. Yeah, it's cool, man. Does he have audio? It has some audio. All right. It's kind of chill. It's kind of smooth. Yeah, you have Peppy and his pals looking at the fireworks. I'm not sure what their pals' names are. I'm going to call him Baldy McBallland. And then here's Teddy Bear, Bearish, McFuddles. Yeah, it has audio. Yeah, I can hear it. It's just, I'm not sure if it's I hope it's copyright free, because otherwise, gonna get a royalty free audio, man. All right. Yeah, I know, Jake, but wanted to make sure you want to release this to the public and make it something. Wojak and Bora. All right, cool. Bearish McBearland. McFuddles, and then Baldy McMuddlands. Right, I'm kidding. Wojak and Bora. I'm not sure who's Bojack and who's Bora, but they're both there. And yeah, this is the who made this? Jake? You make it? You make this? Yeah, Jake. All right. PayPal's 4th of July 2022. And it's cool. There's some grass there. Is the grass moving? No, it's just there. All right, cool. There's some small grass on the hill, I guess they're sitting on, or something. They're overlooking the city, watching the fireworks go. Whoa, it's cool. Alrighty, let's go check out market, man. It's coming along good, man. Yeah, is this the third thing that gets minted on the site? I can't remember. How many things have been minted? Can I see it here? Owner, Ishwar, maybe Pals, maybe GitHub. All right, I'm just gonna go to GitHub, I guess. Palzex. I should see them here. All right, yeah, I think it's the third thing that gets minted. All right. All right. Cool, man. All right, cool. It's classified as a promo. Oh, nice. Alrighty. Awesome, dude. That's cool. I'm glad it's coming along fine, man. It looks good so far. And I really, really hope this gains traction. I mean, crypto right now is just at a stagnant place. Once the next bull market starts to happen, I think that traction could be there. But for now, man, I mean, I'm not sure how many people are buying, tokens or any kind of NFTs right now. I'm certainly not buying NFTs right now. If anything, I'm trying to preserve more wealth than anything. So yeah. Under home, there's a promo button. All right, I'll check it in a bit. I gotta open that again. So let's go to the Peppy Pals. It took me to some code. I didn't want to go there. Where's the Peppy Pals? Here we go. And then their templates, you said. No. Promo button. All right, I'm at the homepage. I'm trying to find that promo button, but I can't see it. Yeah, same here. Promo cards. Here we go. All right, so I knew of these two. I didn't like it. Cool. The holiday card. That's the one that's coming soon. Awesome, dude. Yeah. Right now, I can tell you, I'm not really buying a lot of crypto. If anything, I'm still offloading stuff. And like I said yesterday, I'm shifting some of those assets onto something that can net me some gains while the bear market is here. Because if it's anything like the last bear market, and we can zoom out and look at it, and if we're looking at something like this happening, right? Man, I'll tell you what, I think I can get my money to make or net me better gains than, waiting for this to take off, I guess, right? So, yeah. So again, this was the bear market. Again, I think I could do better by having a side gig that's netting me another income that's doing more profits than crypto's going to be doing. And then I could just put that into crypto and buy it at cheaper. So then I could, have a larger position of crypto. So I just getting my money to work for me while the market is stagnant, I guess. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm starting a 3D print farm. I have one printer. I bought another printer that arrived at my parents' house today, and I should be getting it probably here by the end of the month or so. And then I bought a resin printer as well, and a curing station for the resin printer, and some resins. So I am gonna have like all formats. So like the printer I have, it's a regular format size, I guess. So about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. And the one I got, it's 40 centimeters by 40 centimeters. So that's pretty sizable. How big is that? Well, that's a good question, man. That's about 16 inches by 16 inches. Right, the one I got. The one I have right now, it's about 8 inches by 8 inches. So, yeah, it's double the printing size. And then the one, the resin printer is pretty good. I got it half off because it's last year's model. But, for what I'm trying to do, I don't need this year's model. It's just 6K instead of 4K, so it's not even 8K. I think it's the price difference. I got it at half off, so I got it for like 300 plus, and the new printer's like 700. So still, I think it's still for last year's technology, considering that 4K is still pretty good quality for resin printing. Anyways, let's keep moving here. Let's go check out the corn. All right, so Bitcoin is kind of, again, 19,100. Not too bad. Shelling still. Rejection of that 20. Not liking that. Right, but we haven't tanked on Saturday, so hopefully we hold. And I'm still looking for this potential double bottom to form. We are at that area where we could start to say it looks like a double bottom. It looks as though we're really trying to form this double bottom. So come Monday, if we are forming this double bottom, hopefully we can create some house, a 3D printing farm, or profitable beam on. How's a 3D printer? Yeah, you sell projects, man. Right now, I can tell you the first 3 months, my printer paid itself off, plus all the filament that I bought so far. And it paid itself so much that I was able to buy that larger format 3D printer. So in 3 months of working that printer, it's already paid itself off. And enough that I could buy a larger printer. The one that's so the printer I bought was $300, and it made $500, and I bought that larger printer. And then the other one I had to put out a capital for it. So I just got money that I had sitting on exchanges that is doing nothing. And the way I'm thinking about this is like, if in 3 months I was able to pay the printer, then in maybe 3 more months I'm gonna be able to pay the other printer, and I can just replace that money back into crypto. And by that time, if the market is in stagnancy mode, I might be able to, get back in at a good area of value, and it'll be as if nothing happened, and I was able to purchase some stuff. And now that thing's also gonna keep on working on the side while the market's also gonna be trying to rally. And by that time, the farm's working and crypto's making money. So I'm putting my investment to net me more money, I guess, right? So yeah. How's it profitable? Well, I'm advertising. Well, not advertising. I'm just posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And we're just posting out videos of what we're printing and things that we're doing. And companies have approached us, and they have requested some things. Like right now, some lady asked for a statue of Ragnar Lothbrok from Vikings to be printed, and it's pretty sizable. So that is a pretty good project. Like, this is just the legs. I'm still missing the other leg. It's here, but I'm not gonna put it together. But it is gonna be a around a 7-inch thing, and like, this is the shield. Like, it's huge, dude. Like, this is the hand with the sword. Like, the sword's almost the size of my face, length of my face. So yeah, it is a big print, and it's pretty good. Some really cool 28-inch 35. Yeah, I know. And having actually shown the work that I've done on things like this, right? Which again isn't a cello wrapping, but on things like this, has gotten people to ask more about the 3D printing and paint jobs and things like that. So that's also giving me more traction, right? And yeah, it's all about doing something else while the market's not doing anything. Ivan the Shaman, good morning. Gluten Morgan. All right. He's having gluten for the morning, I guess. I hope you're not having a gluten. I hope you're not a celiac. So was you going to have a gluten thing happening to you? I'm not sure what happens to them, but you'll be glutinous. You betcha. Oh. Anywho. We're not doing a lot, so we're just chilling on crypto. All right. How am I doing today? Well, I'm still trying to bore people to death, I guess, as you put it yesterday, because the market's really not doing anything, so. Yeah, torturous market, doing nothing. Chilling, dude. I'm just waiting for this to take off. Hopefully we get a bounce. That copy pasta was great. Yeah, I know. Anywho, waiting on this to take off. So, yeah. We're moving down. I want this double bottom to, land somehow. So that means Sunday has to go down a little bit. Hopefully we create this double bottom with tightness of the Bollinger Bands, with bullish divergence. And then that would signify that hopefully next week we should be having a good movement to the upside. Right? That's the way I would interpret it. But it's crypto, and the market could go crazy and say, I don't care about the double bottom. And again, double bottom's not confirmed until we break the neckline. So that neckline would be somewhere around this line, actually, right? The 21,394. That's the area that we would be looking to break on a movement up. Otherwise, that double bottom doesn't trigger. But, starting to get it to form with that tightness of the Bollinger Bands with bullish divergence could be an indicator that this should be looking for a movement to the upside. Carthago says, I'm going to switch to trading Forex to just to, so yeah. Yeah, that's fine. But, Forex, you have to use leverage, man, because the movements sometimes are not that good. Yeah. All right, so not a lot happening here on daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Again, it's a chill stream. I'm not going to be over stressing about, what's happening and what we're looking at here. Well, that should go to the freaking daily. So go between chill stream. because there's really not a lot happening since yesterday. Markets come down, bears diverge, blah blah blah, nothing bullish. Same as yesterday, consolidation, rejection of the 20s. We haven't done jack. It's a rejection of here, I guess, but that already had happened. We were live here on this candle, so you know, sideways. Not doing anything since yesterday. Let's go to the 1 hour. And you can see here the sidewaysness of the market. Scared of day trade, can't see yourself doing anything else except DCA and Bitcoin. Yeah, look, man, I would tell you, the only thing you can do is if you want to leverage trade, I think that's where the money is, because that's where you can play those swings, those small swings with potential leverage gains. Other than that, the market's not there, and I've been saying it for a while, right? I told you guys 37,000. I said start selling, so that's when I started selling, because we knew it could go lower, right? And look at where we're at right now. Almost $20,000 from when I said start selling below. So you would have sold there. You would have been able to buy almost twice the amount of crypto with the same money that you had when I said start selling below 38, 37. Just be careful, DCA buying in a downtrend or buying all the way. Yeah. Well, I think it's people can't see the chats unless I bring them up. So, you know, people from Twitch can't see the YouTube chats. But there's a chat, right? So, yeah. Someone was saying that Russia has to get back in for crypto to go up, and I'm like, it has nothing to do with it, man. I mean, Russian capital will help, but I don't think Russian capital is out of crypto massively. If anything, they would seem that they would be looking for more crypto to evade a lot of the stuff that's happening. So it just seems counter. So yeah, there's really nothing happening here, guys. I mean, it's just chill stream had to come live because we come live every day, and I'm not going to be here tomorrow. But like I said, I'm still looking for a potential movement down. Still want a double bottom to be formed, and then see where we're going to go. Let's go check out Ethereum, because there's just really nothing, man. Scared to trade. Scared money don't make money. Didn't we have a sticker that said that? No, I think that might have been something else. I don't think we had a sticker that said scared money don't make money. Yeah, we didn't have it here. Maybe it's on Twitch. Can't remember. Maybe we do have a sticker that says scared money don't make money. Ethereum, baby? Yeah. By the way, although this looks clear, I'm enjoying a nice gin and tonic with nothing on it. Just gin and tonic water. It's pretty good. I haven't had gin and tonic in a while. So, it's pretty tasty. That's pretty tasty. Let's zoom in here. Nothingness. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Band. Still waiting for that explosive move. No double bottom here. Ethereum's holding off a little bit better than Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum must follow suit, being second in command. So it's going to take reins and try to pump. But we're still in our channel, 1,153 to, what is it here, 981. For hour. And, you know, it's Saturday night for me, man. The job is fun. So, nothingness, right? Coming lower, more negative momentum, lower still. There's really just nothing going on. I'm trying to get above the 20. We'll see if we hold. Come back down, finding support right now. If we break down, it'll be because Bitcoin's trying to look for that double bottom. If Bitcoin develops as double bottom, things could be good, right? Just that double bottom does not mean that we're out of the woods. That could be the rally that we need before we get our third leg down. Just remember that. So that could be an interesting short move to play, right? If the double bottom develops, and we break that neckline, we keep on pushing, man, that could be some small short-term gains to sell before the next drop, right? Because we could still be looking at 10 to, 12K. Nothing here, right? Look. There's nothingness, right? No divergences. Ivan says that he sometimes trips on shrooms during work, but in small amounts. All right. Well, good luck with that. I'm not sure what you do for a living. I hope you're not a surgeon. Not a fan of all those inverse hammer candles. Aztec trader. Sell the bottom of that candle and stop. So yeah. Look, bro. What I'm thinking, at least we had the 3 fallen peaks. They played to the downside. We were expecting that, so that's good. What I'm thinking on Bitcoin is this, right? We go for some recovery, which could be coming from that double bottom that we have in the daily. Right? Then we have our third act, or third leg down, right? So we had our first one with that hook. So you know what these hooks look like, right? Terminal tackle on fishing lines, or fishing in general. And those ones tend to be, we call them bull traps. So bull trap, drop, and then start to rally again, create that hooking shape, create that next bull trap, and then drop again. You're a plasterer, Dr. Plastic, they call me. Just popped in to say hi. Have a great weekend. UFC starting soon. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. A lot of guys are not going to be here on Monday for, 4th of July or whatever. I'm going to be here. For me, it's just a regular day here in Mexico. But, yeah, if you don't want to stop by 4th of July, that's awesome. I'm not sure if they're going to be fireworks, but, we'll be having fun here. Thank you for stopping by, Ivan the Shaman. Much appreciated, my friend. Watch him put, plaster with shrooms, and then, they fall on someone, a couple weeks later, be like, oh, the plaster was high on shrooms. Just a chill stream. I mean, it's not gonna go on for long, right? Because there's really not a lot going on. I don't think anything. I mean, we're gonna go look at this, but I'm not sure if anything's doing anything interesting. All right, let's go. 24 hours. Is there anything? Meme. What? All right. Matic 4%. All right, 4% is okay. Bitcoin Cash 3%. All right, that's good. So is there anything? All right. So a lot of projects seem to be trying to do something. Just the main ones suck majorly. All right. Let's see if there's anything here that's worth looking at. All right. I said Neem. I think we've looked at this one before. Why is it up 20%? We have not looked at this. Oh, no, we have. Here it is. No longer be celebrated today. The launch of Flare. Well, yeah, I hope they do give me my Flare. That was awesome. All right. So it did pump quite a bit. 25%. More than that. Probably 50% or more than 50% at some point in time. Getting a major pullback. Here we go, man. 66% and got a lot of pullback, man. That's not good. That's bearish. That means the bulls have lost it. It was a nice tightness of the Bollinger Bands, nice push going through, but I'm not really seeing a lot here in technical. Some bullish divergence strong, but that was back here. And again, if this is an indicator of what Bitcoin could do, then Monday we could be looking for that rally. 4 hour, man. Nothing bullish on the 4. Also nothing, well, bullish divergence back here on the 1 hour, but that was back here. Boom, all of a sudden, it was just one candle that went ballistics. That was 11 in the morning. Went up 47%. Wow, it's freaking crazy. So I'm probably about $20 of salmon pump 20. Yeah, maybe, man, maybe. All right, so people are buying Seam. And Ivan the Shaman said, burping man with flames and money. All right. Alrighty, man. Later, man. Thank you very much for stopping by. Matic. All right, Matic 5%. All right, let's go check Matic. That could be worth something, actually. Matic. Burn Fiat. Oh, I thought he was like flame burping something. By the way, I'm not sure if that's going to show here, but, just so you guys can see what he typed. Was this bro here with a beard burping fire, and then there's money on the other side. So I think he had some flaming drink that he burped, and people made him, they rained money on him so he could buy crypto. So I think what he's saying is burp and money will come. If you burp it, it will come, right? Alrighty, let's what we're gonna look at? Matic, right? Matic at 48. What is happening here, man? Did you see the blatant whale pump on Rari? No, I didn't. I didn't. 6%. All right, starting to come back down. So there's nothing super crazy. I'm holding the 20. That's it. So before that, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Nice rally here. Creating some hidden bearish divergence, right? High to low, low to high here, low to high. That's why we're moving down. That's it. I mean, I'm not gonna go into detail on this, but we'll see. All right, let's see what's else happening here. Let's go to top 200. Top 200. The top 200 is brought to you by no one, because we are not sponsored. Rich. Wow. Someone really pumped this thing. The last 7 days, 69%, 59%. Right now, 67% up on the last 24 hours. Wow, this really just probably today moves into the top 200. That is freaking nuts. I posted here 12 cents. Probably someone bought like a couple thousand. Celsius, 13%. Yeah, in finance, 5,000. Y'all remember when this was worth a lot more than Bitcoin? Nah, it's a joke. I'm kidding. It's not a joke. Still a lot of dough. Moonbeam Glamour. All right. 6%. UIDX, Orbs, Greek. I'm trying to find Rari. It's not even here in top 200. Why? T-Fuel. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything here. I mean, something has pumped, but it's like nothing super cool. Like, at least no coins that are, like, major. So, let's keep rolling here. OCC to USD. DXY, right? Let's look at DXY. I mean, I'm probably going to have that weekend there, man, so. What are we doing here? All right. 105, right? So, moving down on the bearish divergence, hitting the 20, looking for the pump. Great. Weekly. Still have the bearish divergence, still tracking it here, and that still tracks to there. And, I was just waiting for this bearish divergence to trigger, man. When it triggers, it's not going to be pretty. I read an article the other day about the housing crisis bubble. And how the housing market was showing similarities to what had happened in 2008. But also the reseller, the secondary, car market. And how it's like over leverage, and people have a lot of credits out for cars or used cars, and how that could detonate in something that what happened in 2008. And I'm here looking and I'm like, wow, dude, really? It's like, have we not learned? Like, I mean, probably someone's gonna be shorting the used car market to make a ton of money, like in a big short. But I do believe we're due for a large crash eventually. No, futures are rare, so it must be spot market buy. All right. Fed is already backstopping. All right. The credit market, yeah, I could see that happening. But the thing is, like, we haven't learned. It happened 10 years ago. We let it run again for another 10 years. It's like, we forgot about it, man. We just, took our eye off the ball. They started doing it again. We told them not to do it. We were going to penalize them. We're going to now have to go and save all the banks, keep them afloat. We're going to take people's monies to pay for that. Yeah, some crazy stuff like that's going to end up happening, right? We went to short the high yield debt market. It's being backstopped. All right. Maybe they're going to open it so their friends can get their monies in and be like, oh, you know what happened in 2008? We can repeat that in 10 years. And we're going to let you buy it so you can be wealthy. But, we're not going to let the regular folk get in on this. Anywho. By the way, we're still shadow banned. Majorly, apparently. From what I've heard. But I really no longer care about being shadow banned, so. I was like, whatever, I'm still going to be coming in, still doing the stream. If the channel's shadow banned, so be it. Not going to be fucking dealing with that BS. Rate from 2003, 2 hours, and dump back. Probably someone buy it on accident. They thought they were buying, like, you know, RAR or something else. And they're like, oh, it wasn't Rary? Oh, let's sell it off again. Okay. So, yeah, it's probably market manipulation for that asset. It is just a chill day, guys. I mean, really not a lot going on in the market. It was just boring. There's some things that are pumping, that's fine, but, you know, in general, crypto's just freaking not doing a lot right now. And that's why it's important to take your money from crypto and use it for things that, you know, you gotta sell, guys. At some point in time, you gotta sell, right? I'm not saying sell everything, but you gotta sell and take profits, and then you gotta put those profits to work. Either you reinvest in something that's gonna give you better returns, or you're putting to work something else so that your money generates you more money. If you're not doing that, something else. Oh, there's something on the ceiling. Weird. I have. It's looks like it could be a moth, maybe. Yeah, it could be a moth. It's starting to sound like it's gonna rain, so let's see. I'm in the middle of a long print. This is gonna take about 20 hours. I'm printing the torso of this Viking named Ragnar Lodbrok. It's a huge print. It's gonna be about yeah, like I said, 35 centimeters, so around 7 inches or so, man. Yeah. Let's bring out the measuring tape. Sorry, no, 35 centimeters, 14 inches. That's how long. How's how tall it's gonna be? It's a huge freaking Viking to print. At least I'm getting paid good money for it. You know, that Viking, it's worth a little bit more than half of the printer is. Ain't that cool? Like, just printing one piece, I already made half of what the printer's worth. Not counting filament. And I'm only consuming about 15 bucks worth of filament. So yeah, if I do that and I convert what I'm charging for this to be printed in post process, yeah, the printer's like more than paid itself for. I'm super happy with this hobby. Plus it's fun because I get to print a lot of stuff that I want to print. A lot of fun. Wi-Fi was 90K. I know Wi-Fi was doing really good. It just managed to, you know, suck majorly lately because it was the hype, right? What Jern Finance was, you know, the DeFi project default, you know, yield farming project default. Everyone wanted to get into Wi-Fi or GFI or whatever you want to call it. No one knew what the name was, but you know, like Cardano, ADA. Apparently, they want to call him ADA. I'm not sure. It's just, you know, whatever the dude wants it to be called. No one's gonna call my girl ADA. Her name's Ada. You know, whatever, man. We'll call it whatever you want. Charles Hoskinson's. Yeah. Usual weekend, well, pumps and dumps. Yeah, when people are not watching the market, right? Shaheb says, thoughts on Neo project. Labeled. The Bly Ethereum, you get gas when you stake. Yeah, some people get gas when they eat steak. I get it. I'm kidding, dude. Neo was 2017 sold. Yeah. I haven't looked at Neo in a while. If you eat steak and you have gas, you have a problem. Steak is freaking delicious. Don't get gas. We have looked at Neo in the past. I'm not sure I have any of the Neo charts open. Oh, here we go. Well, there's one. Neo at $8.16. Oh, it looks like, you know, Agent Smith's behind him. The Matrix, if you can get the reference. You suck majorly. I'm kidding. What's going on here? Pumped all the way up to we didn't even make all-time highs. On this bull run, we didn't even make all-time highs. That's not good. All-time highs was around 205. Now all we managed to make was 146. That's sad. Gartha, go get some sleep, my friend. I hope you have an awesome Sunday. Sunday afternoon. I'm not even sure what time you're gonna wake up, but have a great time. Verl video. What's up, dude? Yo, yo, yo. We haven't looked at this since here. There was some bullishness. Pumped on that. Awesomeness. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. All right. So same stuff that we had with corn bits. Same stuff we had with the corn pops, man. Gotta have my pops, right? It's not pumping. It's not popping. And here, look at this. There was bullish divergence. Pump hit the 20. That's all it was good for. More strong bullish divergence. I'm not seeing it go anywhere for now, but if we do rally, the 20 moving average at $9.03 is going to be an awesome target. Neo Anthem by Hash Brown Anti-Model. That's awesome, dude. I haven't heard that one. And I was hoping to hit 17K and start the week going up. All right, maybe. We still drop right. There's a double bottom coming into Bitcoin, so. Not there yet, but it could develop. Lower, negative, lower still. Nothing bullish here, man. Are we anything bearish? Nothing bearish. There's nothing on the 4 hour. Nothing bearish here. We might have some bullish divergence here, though. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Got to pop. That's it. Sold. Neutral right now. 44.58. That's it. Freaking market's not there, guys. There's no market. It's just scare people right now, trying to hold, see if it's gonna pump or dump, and that's it. A lot of the people are scared. They don't know what's gonna happen with the market. And there's a lot of people out there saying, "Oh, we've bottomed." There's a lot of people out there saying, "No, we're gonna go down to whatever case." I tell you what, no one knows. No one really knows where the market's gonna go. If people knew where the market was gonna go all the time, there'll be a lot of freaking rich people out there sharing their trading advice, and they'll have like millions of thousands of followers, right? But no one really knows where the market's going to go. All we can do is guess where the market's going to go based on how it's performed in the past and what we have seen that works as far as technical analysis. And even then, there's a chance it might not work. So technical analysis is based on percentages, right? That this pattern plays out X amount % of the time. And when X amount % of the time happens, we know this is going to happen. Otherwise, we're not really there. Right? I mean, everything is a chance. Nothing is 100% sure. No one knows really 100% where the market is going to go. Right? If you have someone right now, tomorrow's going to pump or dump. Someone's going to say up. Someone's going to say down. And some are going to be right. Some are going to be wrong. That's it. Right? And you leave and you next day you ask them again. And then those that were right the first day are going to be wrong the next day. And maybe some of the ones that were right or wrong the first day are going to be right the second day, right? So it's just everyone tries to, based on their experience trading and what they've seen in the past, estimate where the market could go, right? And right now, I tell you, it's not freaking defined. I'm still looking for a potential double bottom to develop. If that does come into play, then yes, we could be looking at some action to the upside. But again, don't mean we're out of the woods. We're still looking for another movement down. That double bottom could be building here. For that to happen, we need to close somewhere close to here, 18,800, because that would give us strong bullish divergence, right? Not only would we have, medium bullish divergence, if we close at that level, slightly below strong bullish divergence, not only would we have a double bottom, but we would have bullish divergence strong to accompany it with tightness of the Bollinger Bands. That would mean the volatility is leaving the market, and we know when volatility picks back up, there's violent moves coming in, so I could bring a strong move to the upside based on the fact that we would have bullish divergence. But none of this is set yet because, one, we're not hitting that double bottom area. We're close to it, but we're not hitting it. And we don't have the bullish divergence. We could be going for a double bottom without bullish divergence because the difference in price from here to here is negligible. So from here to here, we're not even looking at 1%, I think. Oh, yeah, we are looking at 1%. 1.07. So barely, man. So my eye calculation, I was eye gauging that it was not that bad. So 1%. That is acceptable for a double bottom. 1% from one bottom to the other, it's acceptable. We could be doing that double bottom right now. We just need that pop to come and break what we could consider to be a neckline here on the double bottom. And that'll be right around here, that top here. Right around here, we'll break this. 21,480, that double bottom could kick in and we could be going higher, but it would be much stronger if we had that bullish average. You wouldn't have to have it, it'll just be stronger. Trouble is market got super overcrowded. Every other new coin was fine. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's 20,000+ projects, right? And there's no way we can remove them. Like, oh, this project's dead. It's not going anywhere. Let's just take it out of the market ratings. Because there's people that are still hodling some of those coins. Just the fact the project's gone to zero does not mean there's no coins out there that are still being minted in mined. They're just worth less. Right? So the project's still there. And it just clutters the market. And it's something that I've said in the past. Although Bitcoin is limited to 21 million Bitcoin, the market is not limited to the amount of coins or, assets that can be created. So someone else can come in and create another crypto with another X amount of money and another X amount of limit. And someone can come in and create another crypto with an X amount of limit and someone with another X amount of limit. So therefore, the crypto market is really not limited. It is limitless. And while Bitcoin is capped and other coins could be capped, the fact that you have so many coins that could come in just dilutes the amount of money that could go into a certain coin. So I'm pretty sure if there was just Bitcoin, let's say, I don't want to sound like a Bitcoin maxi, but it was just Bitcoin, there was no other coins being developed, and the market was, where it's at right now, considering $884 billion for market cap, Bitcoin would probably be sitting still above the 37,000s. And if that was the case, then Bitcoin would have topped over 100,000 at the all-time highs because it would have also included the market cap of the rest of the coins. Now, the fact that there's so many coins out there and so many projects that people can back just dilutes the amount of money that goes around, right? Markets close Monday. Yeah, it's 4th of July. I keep on forgetting that's holiday. Well, markets are closed for the US, but markets are still open worldwide for the rest of the world for trading. And crypto markets are always open. But yeah, major markets are. Yeah. Again, guys, it's chill stream. I'm just going to be calling it a stream for tonight. No stream tomorrow, remember. All the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes. Please, hit the like, the bell, and sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Pin here at the top of the chat. Do those things. Like, bell, sub. Now, yeah. All information is for entertainment and educational purposes. Don't trade based on what you see here. Just discussing ideas. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Blah, 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 blah. Well, no, this speech from all the time. I'll catch you again tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. Monday. For another edition of Some Crypto. Thank you very much for watching. And until then.